everyone, welcome back to another exciting episode of Mercy Magusu. I know we all love fighter jets, so today we are going to be taking a look on the top 5 best Russian fighter jets on the planet. I hope you enjoy it. Come in number 5. Su-27 or Flanker B, a small commonly known Everdome, is one of the most powerful fighter jets in existence. It's a 4th generation domestic multi-purpose fighter designed aircraft, and one of the most things that makes this jet so special is the fact that it's the primary aircraft after the Russian military and is pretty much used by militaries all over the world according to its effectiveness. They are also known as standard sky camouflage. The lower part of the aircraft is painted plain light blue, while in the rear they are painted in different shades of grey. You may be interested to know that Su-27 is the modification of Su-27B, and one of the more prominent characteristics is that is the relatively light weight, commonly in only 16,300 kg as when empty. Specs like the Su-27 has a fuel capacity of 9,400 kg, which takes to a maximum flight of 22,500 meters and altitude of 11 kilometers. For the speed, seriously, Su-27 slants when it comes at a greater speed in 2,500 kilometers per hour. Now let's get to my favorite part. The Su-27 comes full packaging with SDU-10s, which gives an upload aerodynamic qualities, especially when considering the control system as to operating on one emergency mode, as a precaution of the engines are widely spread to reduce the chances of both getting damaged. For fighter jet, Su-27 will cost $30 million, and you might be confused that we have said so little about the firepower. We have just saving that for the last. The Su-27 can detect and target up to 10 hostiles that honestly one target at a time as it fires 2 missiles at it. It has got a maximum of fire compact load of 6 tons of, so you can be rest assured that these jets can do damage. We do have MiG-31 4th generation supersonic fighter interceptor that sits to and only the sky. This high-flying demon is capable of battling off the enemies at an altitude of 20 kilometers and a speed of 3,000 kilometers per hour for the longest time. MiG-31 is the only aircraft employing a radar over the fairway. It is based on aerodynamic design. A high setup trap is set on the wing and it's a prototype rotated on the tail, missiles detected to the targeters. One of the most impressive things about MiG-31 is that the fuselage is made up of 50% steel and 33% aluminium, while the nose of the aircraft is composed of aluminium alloy. The effect weight of the light component is flexibility and has got only 21 tons and can carry up to 16,300 kg of fuel and the additional load of 5,000 kilograms. It is powered by 2 D30F6 engines with a 7 model going up to 3,400 kilograms. This model is made up of alloys of titanium, steel and nickel, which contribute into extreme toughness and durability. The fuselage contains of fuel tanks with additional locations for fuel storage on the wings and the 2 kill tails. Despite this, fueling is always done centrally and can be carried out on the sky. The Su-27T or High I-78. In terms of capabilities, the MiG-31 has wide detection capability ranging from 180 km to 320 km, as well as the ability to automatically track 10 hostiles. Its ongoing cape selects 4 targets simultaneously, guided by 3 missiles, and MiG-31 has got 33C and 37 missiles. It is capable of simultaneously hitting 6 targets, and in addition to this, it has also powerful wedge for viewing and issuing instruction to guiding missiles to up to 42D. You might wonder how much can it cost. MiG-31, it will cost you $33.2 million USA, which shows you how much the Russian military have 400 of these bad boys. Number 3. MiG-35. This next aircraft is a member of a full blast generation created to win over the sky. This aircraft is known for its capability to create damage to both ground and airborne targeters. It is 17.32 meters long with a height of 4.44 meters and a wingspan of 12 meters. It has a normal takeoff of 24,500 kg to accommodate its external payload of up to 6,500 kilograms. Now let's talk about its capabilities. The MiG-35 can accelerate to 2,100 meters per hour and recharge up to 17,500 meters. And you can also fly as long as to 3,500 kilometers with the aid of suspended torques and navigate with the use of the wheels being the radar, which gives the ability to do the sky even under the worst weather conditions. It can detect other arrival aircraft up to a distance of 200 kilometers while mapping the surroundings areas in high resolutions. It gained its popularity with the visibility to target up to 30 hostiles at the same time. It can firepower 6 aircraft simultaneously with his fleet to improve and powered with RD-33MK engines. Top to lies, the electronic system is more close combustion chamber ability to work up to 4,000 hours. This aircraft costs about $30 million USA, and it also comes with 100 units of ammunition and ability to hold up to 8 hanging weapons. Number 2. Su-35. This is one of the most effective fighters in the world. The Su-35 is the member of highly esteemed 4++ generation, meaning it has got ability to quickly hit both the airborne and ground targeters. The Su-35 specializes the quads and can fly up to 3,600 kilometers with the use of AL-41F1S engines, which speeds without the use of afterburn, but bear in mind that it uses the old electrical mechanism control model. The model of Su-35 is made up to display the flow or graphic indicators on the wings to show advanced mechanism control systems and Su-35 which are effective. They are capable of detecting the targets and up to 400 kilometers along with the swap of the ability carrying up to 8 tons. It ceases to see every single unit of this aircraft and the starting price of it up to $85 million USA. Number 1. Su-57. It was developed as a collaboration of the Su design barrels and the Russian Aircraft Corporation. It is the improvement of Su-27 and will not need to carry hostiles at all times, and some parts were made to be flown on August 2019. And since then, it has continued to impress our forces and casual alike with its multifunctionality and its ability gliding speed weighing around 18.5 tons, while empty and heavy aircraft do manage to inclusive carrying EW technologies, which was very carefully designed to reduce visibility to the actual of the aircraft materials reduced. To do over its weight, powered by AL-41F1 engines, which gives the supersonic speed without the use of afterburn. When you consider this lead to improvement of aerodynamic characteristics, the full digital control system and increased attraction, and that is why this aircraft is on the top of the list. The Su-57 is no slouch when it comes to the firepower either, as it is demonstrated that it did both the targets with the precision. It has a maximum compact load of 10 tons placed on 16 tons. We are at the end of another fantastic episode. It was great having you here. Did you see anything that you like? Thanks for watching. Which killer type of the aircraft did you find impressive and why? Let me know on the comment section below.